Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of YaadMentz Try.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for tuning in to our video today. We know it's been a little while since we have recorded and uploaded a video, but here we are today. We just want to say we hope you guys are keeping safe.
Yes,
with
please.
the virus that is going around all over the world. Guys, please wash your hands.
Wash those hands.
Please cover your mouth.
Have those sanitizers.
Have your sanitizers or your alcohol to make sure you're cleaning and sanitizing yourself properly.
And keeping that distance.
Just make sure to practice good hygiene and also keep the distance.
Yeah,
social
keep that distance, right.
And quarantine and all those good stuff that you probably already know already.
Right.
We also want to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. We have loads of videos that you can watch if you haven't checked them out yet.
And thanks to everybody that you're still sticking around. You know what I mean? We big up to all the followers, all the fans. You know, big up on yourself. It's a serious time, but we're still there, bro.
Yeah. And remember to like us. Like this video, follow us on Instagram also at YaadMentz.
Yes.
So let's get into today's video. What are we doing?
Alright, so as you see on the table, we have Malta. Malta, they dropped 2 new flavors since in the past couple weeks. Malta is a drink that has been around from me a little boy, from I know myself, you know. I know Malta. My grandmother used to drink it. She loved Malta. But I see that they're trying to capture a younger audience with introducing some flavors like the coffee and the vanilla. Malta is something that you can drink to, you know, have a little boost of energy. You know, if you feel like your sugar is low and you want something to boost that, you know, sugar, you can drink a Malta. I think it's nice. I have had Maltas over the years. Not been a frequent drinker, but I hope that these 2 new flavors will, you know, capture my taste bud and say, hey, you know, I can buy some more Malta. You know, you might just have them in the fridge, or you can bring them at work, or, you know, something. But yeah, Malta it's been around for a while.
Okay.
What about you? Have you like?
I mean, I've had Malta before, and I've had other, because I think it's a barley drink. I think.
Right.
I've had other brands of barley drink. I mean, to me, it's okay. What I've tasted before is okay. It's not something I'm gonna say, all right, I'm really like. That's not me. I'm gonna drink it all the time. I have some friends who love it. Samantha, big up yourself. She always a drinker Malta. But yeah, I'm excited to try these new flavors. Maybe with these 2 new flavors, it will be something that I'll be like, oh cool. This tastes nice.
Right. And it's the D&G brand. You know, the D&G sodas have been out there for a while. So D&G does do Malta.
Okay. So what are the 2 new flavors?
As I'd mentioned before, did I mention it?
No.
Okay, so the 2 new flavors that it's out right now, it's the Malta Vanilla. You will see a B-roll of that. I don't know why I'm taking it up, but anyway. And they have the Malta Coffee. If you're a coffee drinker, this might be, you know, something down your alley. And then the vanilla is, I think it might be, I don't know, sweeter. Because vanilla is a nice mix with any. I think any vanilla with anything to me will be nice. So hopefully it's just a, you know, a good, you know, mixture. Right.
I'm excited to try them, honestly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna just pop the cap off these Maltas. I like to hear the sound.
Okay.
Alright, so which one you want to go with first?
I'm getting a whiff anyway.
At this distance?
At vanilla. Let's try the vanilla.
Well, we can pour out in each cup.
So that one is the vanilla.
So vanilla is on this side. Let me put it back over here.
So we're not confused. That was just what to say.
Vanilla.
Yeah.
And then we have coffee on this side.
Both of them are pretty dark. This is what them look like.
Yeah.
Pretty dark. If you're familiar any of our barley drinks. Yeah. Smells nice.
You say you want to try the vanilla first, right?
Yeah. I smell the coffee though. I can smell it. When you poured it out, I feel like I can smell the coffee.
Okay, so you want to go ahead and
yeah,
try the vanilla? What it smell like? You like that one?
Tastes nice.
Yeah, I do smell a little essence of vanilla in it.
The vanilla is nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
As I mentioned, the vanilla give it a sweet taste.
Yeah, it tastes. It does taste sweet. I feel like the vanilla bring it up still, man. I like. I like it. Tastes nice.
The vanilla was good.
Yeah, that's really nice. So would you give it YaadMentz thumbs up, thumbs down, or halfway thumb?
I'm going to give it a YaadMentz thumbs up.
I give it a YaadMentz thumb up.
It is a really nice blend, D&G. I think you got this one really right.
Yeah, really nice.
Sometimes I think if you drink the regular Malta, it kind of have a little bit the acidic in it. I don't know if acid you might call it, or it have a little harshness to it. So drinking the one with the vanilla,
it's a little smoother.
Yeah, it's smoother. It's not so harsh. So yeah, it's a good blend. It is.
Okay.
Let's go with the coffee. You can go ahead. I like how you make up your face for now and there.
I don't know, the scent kind of, I don't know.
I'm going to finish this. Yeah. Or she going to finish it, I don't know.
I mean, you taste the essence of coffee.
Okay.
I mean, you try it. I don't know, something about the smell kind of threw me off.
Not really getting the coffee smell, really.
Yeah, I was getting a coffee smell, but something else with the coffee.
You do taste the coffee though.
Yeah, but not my fave.
You do have that. The coffee essence is there. It's not as strong, which is good. You don't really want it as strong to overpower, right? To overpower the taste of the Malta, but yeah, it tastes like it have that coffee essence in it.
It's alright. I don't know. That one wasn't my favorite. Like,
okay,
it's alright.
It's just alright.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, it don't taste bad. It still have that nice blend, but what thumbs up? What will you give it? Thumbs up, thumbs?
I think I would give it like a halfway thumb.
Halfway thumbs?
I mean, it's not bad. It
Right.
kind of reminds you more of the original Malta, just with an essence of coffee.
Right.
So it's not bad, but I mean, not my fave. Not something that I see myself like continuously repurchasing. But it still tastes good. It's not that it tastes bad.
I also will give it a sideways thumbs. I think halfway thumbs. I think they could have, turn up the coffee essence. Just add a little bit more.
Maybe them never really want to
overpower, the taste of the Malta. But I mean, it's. I don't think it will lose it that much. But I think they could have added some more coffee essence to it to just kind of taste it some more. But the vanilla one definitely though is a hit. We like the vanilla. Even though
nice bud.
Still I go drink it off, see man. Yeah. And I'm gonna drink some more.
Cheers. Oh, you're supposed to make eye contact when you cheers. Ooh. Love that for me. That's nice.
Yeah, it's
I really like
nice.
the vanilla one.
It can smell the
What was the price? You remember how much we had paid for these?
It is less than $200. I can tell you that. I don't remember the exact price, but it's less than $200. It's under $200. Right.
Okay, so not bad, and it's supposed to provide you with energy and all that
right,
stuff.
boost that little energy if you need a little energy boost. And you see the Malta available, grab a Malta.
Yep.
We definitely recommend the vanilla flavor.
Sure.
It is really nice, but if you're a coffee drinker and you want to keep that, coffiness, try the coffee Malta.
Yeah, try both of them.
Yeah, they're both good.
It's worth a try at least once. So I would
definitely the vanilla. I work with the vanilla for real. I would definitely buy that
favorite
one. Guys, so that's it for this episode of YaadMentz Tries. We want to thank you for tuning in to another video. We missed you guys, and I know you missed us as well. But we're still keeping up, and we're still coming back to you guys. When I left and when I gone, we're still there, isn't it? So big up yourself. Again, keep safe. Follow what the government is saying about what is happening, and just keep that distance for real.
And if you're affected by the virus in any way, like, prayers go out to you, prayers go out to people who are on the front line, the people in the medical field.
Profession,
just had a brain fart right there. Big up to bus drivers, garbage truck people who are essential workers who still have to be out there in the front line dealing with people and all that. Big up on yourself. Guys, remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. If there's anything out there that you want us to try to, we'll try our best to get it, based on the circumstances. But let us know in the comment section. Let us know you enjoyed this video by giving us a thumbs up. Follow us on Instagram at YaadMentz and like our Facebook page at YaadMentz also. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in our next episode. Bye guys. So yeah, drink off that. Drink that one then. You like coffee,